I found this and I thought it might be helpful for you. So, here it goes. After months of reading Neville, I believe I've figured out how manifestations work. The key is to not try. The key is to believe that what is meant for you will come to you effortlessly. You will never forget what is for you. It will come if you believe you deserve it. Neville frequently mentions this. When you pray to God, your subconscious, your I amness, the universe, you must absolutely believe that whatever you are asking for will be granted to you, and it will be yours. Believe in yourself and let go. Don't push yourself too hard. Your convictions and beliefs manifest themselves. The sole purpose of prayer is to express gratitude. It is not to beg for what you do not have. It is being thankful for what you already have. You must be completely convinced that what you desire is already yours. Don't get too caught up in techniques. They are simply tools to help you believe that you already have it. You can have anything in the universe if you fill your mind with the complete belief that it is already yours. You don't need to script, affirm, spend hours doing sats, or watching YouTube videos on SP manifestation if you already believe you have what you want. I know it's difficult to understand, but you only get what you believe you deserve. If you believe you absolutely deserve what you're asking for, that you're absolutely entitled to it, if you approach everything you want with a sense of entitlement, it will be yours. What is for you will never be missed. What is meant to be will come to pass. So far, what have I manifested? I have a one-bedroom apartment in the city where I want it, and I pay less than $200 because I applied for a government subsidy that most people wait 10 years for, but because I believed it was mine, I manifested it quickly. A lot of cash, my debts have been paid off, a new laptop, and a number of other people, places, and things that don't matter because I've changed my way of life and know how to approach life and get what I want from it, and how to get it. To begin, believe you have it, and then watch how quickly it arrives. If you liked this video, do subscribe. I will meet you tomorrow with another nugget. Happy manifesting.